Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How do I say this? I'm not really excited for this. I'm low-key pretty nervous.
Yep.
We're gonna be installing some new brake pads, rotors, and fluid from StopTech, which this car actually does need. I got my buddy Alex, aka Casquito. He's gonna be helping me install this. Have you ever done brakes before?
No.
Okay, I haven't done brakes before. I've done fluid.
I've done fluid too.
I haven't done pads and rotors,
Yeah.
so
This is the first time for both of us.
yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and jack up the car right now. I'm not gonna record that because it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna take off all four wheels and then continue from there. All right, guys, we're about to get started. Unfortunately, it's another windy day, so you might hear a lot of wind noise.
Yeah.
But we're gonna start off with removing two bolts back here, which are 14 millimeter. We're just gonna go ahead and do that and see where we go from there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Girl, wait. It's connected. Gotta be careful.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got two. That's dope. All right. So we got our brake pads here.
Let's clip it. Oh. It kind of loose already. That was easy. Oh, yeah.
It still has a lot of life in these.
Yeah.
But I wonder why it was squeaking. Alright, so we got the pads out, but we're also gonna switch our rotors. So now we gotta get this mechanism out. I'm gonna take a guess, hoping it's a 17. What'd you know? What'd you know? It's a 17. So now we have two more bolts back there. Gonna grab our 17. Try to loosen those up.
What happened?
Dusty, but it worked. You try pulling it. There you go.
Elbow grease.
What's gonna work?
Teamwork.
All right, now we got this part out. Sheesh.
Sheesh, that thing was rusty and dusty and...
All those things. We're gonna leave that there for now. All right. All right, guys, we finally got the rotors off. It did take a lot of persuasion. So we ended up first with the mallet, then we just resorted to a hammer. This is how our rotors ended up, all banged up. But I mean, we're not gonna reuse these anymore because I bought other slotted ones. So right now I have Alex over here trying to get down. Okay.
I'm trying to get some of the rust.
So he's gonna hit it with a quick brake cleaner. Then we're gonna have it with a wire brush, make sure this is all smooth, then clean it off again before we reinstall the rotors. All right, now that we got our surface cleaned up, I'm gonna add some anti-seize because I don't want to deal with that issue again when removing the freaking rotors. Yeah. That was a lot. All right, I'm gonna go do the other side right now. All right, pardon for all the noise and the wind, but right now I'm just gonna clean off the rotor. Gonna hit it with some brake clean right now. Cool, done with that. It's so windy. All right, moment of truth. Yeah. Perfect. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, we're we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then continue on with putting our pads and caliper back on.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna start reinstalling our caliper. Luckily, we got new, I guess, brake hardware. So I'm just gonna figure out how to remove this. All right, got that on. All right, we just got our, what do I call this? Caliper bracket on. Oops. We torqued the back nuts down to 59 foot-pounds. Now I'm gonna get started with installing my brake pads. I do got this little lubricant that I'm gonna put on here and also on the caliper, just so to prevent noise.
And when you want to take them off, it's a lot easier.
That's true.
Oh.
Sure. I'm gonna put a little bit.
Get in there.
A little bit. Alright guys, we just got our pads in. I just pushed in our what is it, caliper pistons back in. Now we're trying to
cut the zip ties.
Install. Yeah. Alright, we're back.
Back. It's a lot easier than that, the other ones.
Yeah. Let's see if it clears still. A little bit, yeah.
Oh, there you go. That's what's in.
Gotta bring this down to 19 foot-pounds. It's all back together. Yeah, yes. We're gonna go do the other side, put the wheels in, torque it down so this can go all the way in, and then take the wheels back off and then test it out.
Yep.
Almost done with the front.
We still need the back.
Dang! Alright guys, just finished installing rotor, pads, caliper back on, wheel on. We did have an issue on the other side. Not sure what it was, but alright, let's show them. Like, for example, on this side, everything is back on and the wheel spins. On the other side, for some reason, once like I pumped the brake, let go,
Stop moving.
the wheel would not move. So I like take it off, put it back on about 2-3 times.
2-3 times. And then we tried it out without the tire, the wheel.
Yeah.
And it started doing better. But now it moves. Still a little stiff. That one moves a little bit more, but
I'll take it.
wheel.
So now, unfortunately, he has to go home.
Yeah.
Hopefully you get to come back.
Yeah, hopefully.
I still got to do the rears. Will I finish today?
The world may never know.
I'm dead. Well, if everything goes right and like the other side.
The rotors are the hardest thing. So if the rotors, you're able to take out the rotors with the hammer as easy as you did that side, then
Yeah.
this one was yeah.
Alright, well,
Alright, man. Good luck.
I gotta get to it. Alright, we're gonna get started with the rear now. Should be the same 14mm. Oof. First casualty. Yikes. Let's get these baby pads out of here. Woo! So this is what was failing on us. Alright, now I'm gonna try to remove the rear rotor with some heavy persuasion. Make sure that your e-brake is off, because your e-brake is the drum brake on the inside of this. So just make sure that's off, and we're gonna have that. Alright, now that we have our rotor off, just hit it with a mallet. That's what I did. Now we have to clean this surface. So right now I'm just gonna hit it with some brake clean to just get most of that I guess like oil and dirt out of there, and then I'm gonna hit it with a wire brush just to smooth it out. Alright, just finished cleaning up our hub here, nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna put some anti-seize, so next time it'll be a lot easier to remove our rotors when it ends up coming to that. Gotta get the doctor's glove. Alright, we just cleaned off the rotor. Now we're gonna get ready for the install. Let's see. We'll go with this one. Alright. Looks good. Gonna go do the other side. Alright. Well, right now I'm gonna lube up these brackets, hardware for your brake pads before installing. I'm gonna see if it's easier to just do it before it's, you know, bolted up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead now and put our bracket back on. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lube up our pads right here on the ends and on the back. We just throw these bolts back in. Now just gotta torque it down to 19 foot-pounds. Alright, first of all, I do apologize. So I did end up bleeding the brakes right now, but I will show you what the fluid used to look like. Yeah. So I went from that to being like a nice clear. Brakes are feeling great. All I gotta do now is drop the car and test them out.